Hi folks, it's Hen. So we're dealing with this dishwasher again today. Still having draining issues. So I removed the main spinner and just about put this back. So this goes on here like this. And then we just screw everything back. I cleaned, what I did is under here was where a whole bunch of debris was, including I had some like old labels from food packaging, and that got into the drain there. So I don't know if you can see that, but right in there was all plugged up. So I cleaned that out. In a separate video you'll see that. And now we're gonna put this back. It's pretty simple. That just removes. And then, you know, and I nearly wanted to get rid of this whole dishwasher, but with the pandemic, who wants to go out to a store, right? So I thought I'd try and clean it, which is actually better for the environment anyway. We're not throwing stuff out all the time. But it was like a plaque that sort of builds up inside the passageways of the drain pipes in the dishwasher. So I just cleared them out. Makes you wonder what you eat, right? This stuff over the years plugs up. Get that, we get that, and that one. This is like a star-shaped screw. This is a GE, I think it's a Kenmore or a GE dishwasher. I don't know, there's the model. It's a Kenmore. If you can see that, but okay. Then the spinner, I don't know if that's the right word for it, but that's what I'm calling it. This part just, there's a part that attaches up top. We'll do that in a sec. And this thing just kind of pops in and locks in like that. See? That's it. So now, the other part we have is this. And there's a little spinner here at the top. So this goes back in. And if you can see what I'm doing, you probably, in a sec, you might understand. I'm going to close the top drawer. I got lazy. I didn't try and detach the top rack. And then that just kind of snaps in. There, it kind of makes a click, okay? And then I have a couple of screws. Couple of like just self-tapping screws. And they just go in. It's hard to see, but there's one there, and there's one up top. And I'll probably put those in without holding a phone. So anyway, we'll see how it does. Hopefully this will make draining and the dishwasher actually work. So we're getting clean plates and cutlery and all that good stuff. Take care. Thanks for watching.